This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the work area and removing the old lock. Do this now. First, use a Phillips #2 to back out the handle screws. Once done, take the interior trim off and remove the cylinder retaining screw with the flathead. Make sure to measure the backset, 2-3/8 inches or 2-3/4 inches, so the new lock fits. Keep screws sorted in a small container and photograph each step. That way, you remember orientation and latch position when reinstalling parts. Once the old lock is out, install the new latch and deadbolt assembly. Insert the latch into the edge, making sure the bevel faces the strike. Then slide the cylinder through and align the cam so it rotates freely. Secure the cylinder with the retaining screw while holding the exterior assembly steady. Next, attach the interior trim and tighten screws evenly. Make sure the latch bolt retracts and extends smoothly. If it binds, slightly loosen screws, adjust alignment. Then retighten to achieve a smooth operation. Finish by testing the lock thoroughly, close the door and turn the key, then operate the interior lever. Make sure the deadbolt extends fully into the strike. If the bolt scrapes, adjust the strike plate up to 1/8 inch and retest. You may need to re-drill or countersink for correct alignment. Once satisfied, tighten all screws, trim excess, and seal gaps with weather stripping. If something goes wrong, check for misaligned screws or wrong backset before assuming the mechanism is defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.